Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to go over here and I'm going to tape up some more fire pits that have come undone. Grab my tape over here out of the golf cart. Got my blue painter's tape. Got my dog. And we're going to walk over here to the 3 by the lake. 2 of them need to be covered up again, don't they? Yep, so let's get walking over there. You think so? Okay. Had a nice quiet day today. Today is Monday. I put in my 2 weeks notice today. You're going, what? Well, 2 weeks before we close the gate, right up there from today. So that's my 2 weeks notice. I got 2 more weeks of the camp host this season. As soon as we get the dog to move, come on, let's go. Come on. He doesn't want to go this way. But we're going this way. We got some work to do over here. A quiet Monday. I think we're going to have 8 or 9 campers tonight, which is pretty nice. And I think we were not full this weekend. I think I had 2 spots left on Saturday night, so that worked out well. So let's get over here and do some tape. We got to go tape up number 28 and number 29, the 2 primitive ones back in the back here. Got walk past 27. It's still holding up. No one's really damaged it too much more since I've got the rocks back in place. There's a tape on that fire pit. That'll work. And we're going to go down this goat trail over here. It's right over here. And get to the next one. It's a pretty nice day, as I said. It's a little breezy, but not too bad. And the lake is fairly calm. No white water today, which is good. Here's number 28. And here's one of the fire pits that I've got to recover. So let's get the phone down and we'll get busy. And 29's over there. I've got to do that one also. Sit down here next to the dog and say, oh, got my fire pits taped back up again. These are the 2 furthest away, so I can't see them unless I actually make an effort to walk over here. The rest of them I can pretty much see from my campsite. But these get used. And remember I said last time on the video about the firebrand, we had a little bit of rain, and sure enough, that evening, somebody in the upper loop, what they do, took off the rocks off the top, took off the tape, took off the plastic, started a fire. So I had to go up and tell them, the firebrand is not lifted, put the fire out. And they did, somewhat. They were really slow at it. I should have taken a bucket of water and just doused the thing. But that happens, and we've only had about 3 or 4 people burning fires since the 1st of August. So not bad, but that's 3 or 4 too many. But today is Monday as I'm doing this, and my bus part was supposed to arrive Friday, and guess what? Due to an unexpected shipping delay, my part did not arrive. So we'll see if it shows up today on Monday. So far it has not. It's afternoon and no one's contacted me. You know, that's just what it is. It's right in the grasp. You know, you can almost grasp it if you like, but it's not here. So I don't know where the unexpected shipping delay is. UPS is the one delivering it. So I guess we'll just wait and see what happens, won't we? Don't have much else to do we? Just sit here and wait. And it's a pretty quiet day at the lake today. I think there's a couple of people in the water, but I think there's more seagulls here than there are people right now in the water. So it's that time of year. But yeah, I got my fire pits covered up. This is the day use area, empty. I had one car here today, and that was it. I do know that I'm getting ready to get the bus back. I need to get the bus back because it's starting to cool off. And as I mentioned, my tent is not a four-season tent. It's a very fair weather tent. So last couple of evenings, it's been in the mid-40s, and I've been getting a little chilled about time the sun comes up in the morning, even with the 4 blankets on me. So I'll have to do some adjustment and, keep waiting for the bus to get here so we can stay warm inside. Zen's got his nose going. He's on guard duty. Do you see something back there? There's something over there? Let's look and see. Nope, I don't see anything. It's kind of now. It's time to see what's time for dinner. I'm going to do something light tonight. I did use my grill last night. This one here that I found. Put a propane bottle on it and cleaned it up. Put my hot dogs in there. Yeah, I didn't make much difference, but at least they had the stripes on them, so they look better. And tonight we're just going to do something simple. I had some people yesterday when they leave me a box of treats. Let's see what's in here. So tonight we're going to have just some cheap stuff. 2 instant lunch soup things. And then we got some graham crackers with some of this like a Nutella, hazelnut and vanilla artificially flavored candy, but it looks like it's a spread, so we'll use that. And had a couple of these last night. Why? Mango lollipop. What does that say? Chili peppered covered mango flavored lollipop. Why is everything chili flavored or chili covered? I had a strawberry gummy with chili powder on it last night. I just like the sweet. I don't like the spicy. And here it is Tuesday. We're having a meeting tonight, so we're gonna have a free dinner, potluck over at the next campground. So somebody will come by and pick me up because it's Tuesday, as I mentioned, and still no word of the bus part that's supposed to have been here 5 days ago. So no one's called me to see if the part's in. I haven't questioned them, so I'm just going to wait and see. But I was hoping I could pick the bus up by today. Doesn't look like we're going to make it. Zen and I he's resting down there, and we're hanging out up here. So we'll say thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you guys on around the campsite.